Hey guys, I got the Assorted Asian Snack Box. It's huge. Do you guys want to try it out with me? Let's see what they got. Maybe they're good, maybe they're not. Oh my goodness, so much stuff. Classic Marie biscuits, Pocky, watermelon gummy candy, fruity and soft. Vitamin C, tomato Pringles, peel-able juicy gummy. Ooh, strawberry Oreos, honey butter Pringles, bell pepper Pringles, some kind of meat Pringle, cream-filled biscuit snacks. Looks like a cinnamon roll, another kind of bun thing. Ooh, it's like a cake. Right. That's a lot. Let's try it. Let's start with the drink. Probably need this. Oh, it tastes like tea. I like it. It's very lovely. Let's try honey butter Pringles. Oh, those are good. Those are delicious. This is the bell pepper one. I didn't think I liked those. Those are really good. Those are actually better than the honey butter. Let's try the meat one. That tastes like barbecue. Let's try the tomato one. I'm not sure if I like these. It's like ketchup. That is not for me. I don't like that one. That one's gross. Let's try this one. This one looks good. It's like chocolate. It's like a chocolate roll. Smells like a donut. There's no filling. It's very good. It's not super sweet. It's more like, it's like a Hawaiian roll with chocolate. I don't know what flavor it is. See. The flavor is butter. It's like a roll, a Hawaiian roll with butter. That's good. I've actually wanted to try these. These are the peel ones. You peel them. Let's see. Wait, how do you peel it? I don't think you peel these. Oh wait, do you? Oh wait, I guess you can kinda. Those are interesting. Green grape. I probably would never buy them, but they don't taste bad. Let's try these. Vitamins. It's got like something inside of it. Look at this. It's got like, ooh. These are, yes, those are good. Watermelon gummies. Let's try them. Comes in little packets. Oh, the smell is very watermelon-y. Those are very good. That is a good watermelon candy. I can clean my palate. So many different flavors. Strawberry Oreos. Looks just like an Oreo. It's got a little face on the back. Smells like strawberries. Those are good. I think this is green tea flavor, but I could be wrong. It's green tea. You can't go wrong with Pockies. It looks like just a regular like Biscoff cookie, you know? But we'll see. You know what it tastes like? Graham crackers. Like a thin, crunchy graham cracker. Thinking, whoa, this cake has 460 calories in it. That's a lot. It is very pretty. Look at that. Gorgeous. See. It tastes like a cloud. The texture, it's like melts in your mouth. That's lovely. Chocolate cream filled biscuit sticks. Filled. Look at that. Mmm. Tastes just like those ones that we have that are like bigger circles. I don't know the name of them. Filled with chocolate. Does anyone know what I'm talking about? It's just like those. That was awesome. What a cool Asian snack box. If you guys want to get your own Asian snack box and try a bunch of really cool things, it comes with different things each time, but you get 15 items for $15.92. Click the link below if you want to try it. See ya. See ya.